Danielle Lloyd said she is gutted that fellow reality star Stacey Solomon named her daughter Rose, as she wanted the name for herself. The 37-year-old former Celebrity Big Brother contestant is now the proud mum of 5, sharing 3 sons, Archie, 11, Harry, 10, and George, 8, with ex-husband Jamie O'Hara, and a 4-year-old son named Ronnie and 2-week-old daughter with current husband Michael O'Neill. Danielle has finally revealed that she has named her daughter Autumn Rose, and in a world of celebrities where no 2 children can be named the same, the ex-CBB star said she was devastated when 33-year-old Stacey named her new daughter Rose, as she wanted to call her long-awaited girl that name herself. Nonetheless, Danielle managed to get the name Rose into her daughter's name due to a special meaning behind the originally preferred name. Previously speaking to OK, Danielle explained her predicament, saying, "We've been thinking more about what we would like to call our little girl when she finally arrives." Sadly, Stacey Solomon chose Rose, which was one of our favorites. "We're gutted, haha. It was a really meaningful name to Michael as well, but we will still have Rose somewhere in her name." Now the star has opened up to OK once again to explain the meaning behind the name Rose and the decision to call their daughter Autumn. She said, "Michael really liked Rosie and I really liked Autumn. I liked both, but then people kept on sending me pictures of dogs called Rosie and I was like, oh no, is this a sign? I just thought, the season is autumn, she's dark and tanned, she's just so gorgeous, she looks like an autumn. And then we've got Rose in there also after Michael's nan. I know it's different from the boys and not a traditional name, but it just suited her. There were so many people trying to get their 2 pence in, but I was like, we have to actually just decide ourselves, Michael. Otherwise we're going to keep going around in circles." Fortunately for Danielle, Stacey had already ruled out naming her own daughter, who was born last month, Autumn, as she realized it could lead to an unfortunate acronym. Stacey previously explained, "We loved the name Autumn but then we realized her initials would be S. So it helped us rule out all of the A names." Stacey and fiancé Joe Swash ultimately went on to name their daughter Rose Opal as May. Stacey is a mom of 4 now, having 2 sons, Zachary, 13, and Layden, 9, from previous relationships, while she and Joe also have a 2-year-old son named Rex. Joe also has a 14-year-old son named Harry from a past romance of his own.